Welcome to our motherboard comparison video. Today, we will be looking at two powerful options for your next PC build: the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. Both motherboards are designed for high performance in gaming, but they cater to different CPU platforms. The GIGABYTE board is tailored for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, while the MSI board supports Intel's latest 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Core processors. Let's dive into their features and see which one might be the best fit for you. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is designed for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, offering robust performance and compatibility with the latest technology. On the other hand, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi supports Intel's 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Core processors, making it a flexible choice for Intel users. Both motherboards provide excellent options for their respective platforms, but your choice will depend on your preferred CPU brand. When it comes to expansion capabilities, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX boasts PCIe 5.0 support, allowing for faster data transfer rates and future-proofing for upcoming hardware. In contrast, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi features PCIe 4.0, which is still capable but not as advanced as PCIe 5.0. If you're looking to maximize performance and stay ahead of the curve, the GIGABYTE motherboard has the edge here. Warranty is an important factor when investing in hardware. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX comes with a generous 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind for users. In comparison, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi offers a 3-year warranty. While both warranties are decent, the longer warranty period of the GIGABYTE board may be more appealing to those looking for long-term reliability. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboards offer excellent features tailored to different user needs. If you're leaning towards AMD and want the latest technology, the GIGABYTE board is a strong contender. Conversely, if you're an Intel user looking for a cost-effective solution, the MSI motherboard is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.